Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you a tutorial on the Beautonomy palette, Deck the Halls. I am super excited to show you the versatility and the reason why I created this palette. Basically, it's so that you can create nude looks, gorgeous like defined looks and beyond with the colors that I chose in this palette. Here they are. Super excited to show you guys what we can do. So we're going to be splitting my face in half. I already have on my basic face, so like my foundation, my concealer. We're just going to be going in with the eye products today to show you exactly how this is going to look. So first off, we're going to be doing a nude eye. So we're going to be using a lot of the more nude colors in this palette, and it's going to look gorgeous. But first, we should probably put on some eyeshadow primer because that would be smart. Okay guys, so there you have it. Two completely different looks using the new Beautonomy palette that I designed. I really like the way that both of these looks turned out. I think that if I experiment more with this, that I will be able to get even better looks with this. So I hope you guys stay tuned for more tutorials, and I will catch you later. Bye!